Welcome to the Reserve Ledger. Look at your primary bank account right now. Chances are your money is sitting there, exposed to inflation, earning virtually nothing. In 2026, keeping cash in a traditional brick-and-mortar bank isn't just conservative. It's a mathematical error that's costing you thousands. Today, we are witnessing a financial bifurcation in the U.S. The big three banks are still paying a measly 0.01% interest on checking accounts. But a new class of digital institutions, anchored by Federal Reserve policy, are offering yields that haven't been seen in decades. 5.50% APY is now the standard for those who know where to look. Every day you wait, inflation is cutting into your purchasing power. If your money is earning less than the current rate of inflation, which we track later in this video, your savings are actually shrinking. Today, we are putting your cash on the offensive. This isn't about gambling in the stock market or chasing crypto hype. This is about the anchor strategy. We are prioritizing three pillars: absolute safety through FDIC insurance, immediate access to your cash, and maximizing your annual percentage yield. Over the next 20 minutes, we are performing a data-driven autopsy on the 5 safest, highest-yielding cash equivalents in the U.S. market today. We compare the fintech giants, the establishment banks, and the hidden treasury alternatives, giving you the exact blueprint on where to anchor your wealth. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to activate a 5.5% return with zero extra effort. Let's look at the data. To understand why 5.5% is the magic number right now, we have to look inside the Federal Open Market Committee, or the FOMC. As of March 2026, the Federal Reserve has hit a massive crossroads. After a series of rate cuts in 2025, Chair Jerome Powell and the Fed have hit the pause button. The current target rate sits between 3.5% and 3.75%. This pause is actually a gift for savvy savers. While the Fed is waiting for more data on the U.S. labor market, the gap between their benchmark rate and what big banks pay you has never been wider. The Fed is keeping its rate high to ensure inflation doesn't roar back, but most brick-and-mortar banks are pocketing that difference as pure profit instead of passing it to you. Why the hesitation? It's the 3% problem. While inflation has cooled significantly from the peaks of a few years ago, it's currently hovering around 3%, still a full point above the Fed's 2% target. With new tariffs beginning to impact consumer prices this month, the Fed is terrified of cutting rates too quickly and losing the ground they've gained. This creates a yield window. In finance, windows like this don't stay open forever. Most analysts expect at least 1 or 2 rate cuts before the end of 2026, likely starting in July. This means the 5.5% rates we see today are on a timer. The moment the Fed signals a cut, banks will slash their high-yield rates overnight. This is why the Reserve Ledger is sounding the alarm today. You are currently in the sweet spot of the 2026 economy, where inflation is stable enough to predict, but interest rates are still high enough to pay you. But to capture this, you need to move beyond the household names and look at the institutional disruptors. Now that we understand the Federal Reserve's current stalemate, it's time to look at the winners. As of March 2026, 3 institutions have separated themselves from the pack. They aren't just offering high rates, they are offering the safest, most liquid way to store US dollars today. Let's look at the leaderboard. First up is Wealthfront. In the 2026 market, Wealthfront remains a powerhouse for those who value speed. Currently, their cash account offers a baseline of 4.40% APY. But for new users, they are offering a 0.50% boost for the first 3 months. What makes Wealthfront different is their FDIC insurance structure. By spreading your deposits across a network of partner banks, they provide up to $8 million in protection. That's 32 times the standard individual limit. Next, we have SoFi. If you want a one-stop shop for your finances, this is the 2026 leader. SoFi is currently offering up to 4.00% APY for those who set up a direct deposit or deposit at least $5,000 every 31 days. While the rate is slightly lower than Wealthfront's promotional peak, SoFi's Vaults feature is unparalleled for budgeting. You can separate your taxes, your emergency fund, and your next home down payment into distinct buckets, all while earning that top-tier interest across the board. Finally, for those who prioritize institutional legacy, there is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. In March 2026, Marcus is holding steady at 4.09% APY. They've avoided the gimmicks of other fintechs, focusing instead on simplicity. There are no minimum deposits, no monthly fees, and their transfer speed to external accounts has become the industry benchmark. For a large emergency fund that you don't want to touch, Marcus is the quiet, reliable anchor of the U.S. banking system. When we look at the ledger side by side, the choice depends on your specific needs. If you want the absolute highest rate and maximum insurance, Wealthfront wins. If you want a full-service bank with budgeting tools, SoFi is the choice. And if you want simplicity from one of the world's largest investment banks, you choose Marcus. But regardless of your choice, the next step is the most critical: the implementation. Most people lose thousands in interest, not because they don't know the rates, but because of switching friction. They believe moving money is a bureaucratic nightmare. In 2026, the frictionless setup takes less than 10 minutes. On your laptop, you simply link your existing brick-and-mortar account via Plaid, the gold standard in secure financial API. Once linked, your initial anchor deposit should be your emergency fund. We recommend keeping 1 month of expenses in your traditional checking for immediate ATM access and moving everything else to your high-yield anchor. This ensures that while you sleep, every single dollar is working at that 5.5% capacity we discussed earlier. The secret to the 1% isn't one big deposit, it's the auto flow. Set a recurring transfer for the day after your paycheck hits. By automating the flow from your low-interest checking to your high-yield ledger, you remove human emotion from the equation. You aren't deciding to save. The system is doing it for you. This is more than just a bank account. It is your financial anchor. In a volatile 2026 economy, having a liquid, high-yield base allows you to be aggressive when others are fearful. When the stock market dips or real estate opportunities arise, you aren't scrambling for cash. You're simply redeploying your reserve. If you found value in this deep dive, subscribe to the Reserve Ledger and join our community of sophisticated investors. But having the cash is only half the battle. To see how to protect these gains from the IRS, watch our next video on the 2026 Tax Trap: 5 assets to protect your wealth. Right here. Anchor your wealth. We'll see you in the next one.